Welcome, friends. Today we're going to explore another of the great manuals written by Venerable Ledi Sayadaw. This one is called the Niyāma Dīpani, the Manual of Cosmic Order. In this session, we'll look at 5 natural laws, the Kamma Niyāma, the Utu Niyāma, the bīja Niyāma, the citta Niyāma, and the Dhamma Niyāma. And we'll see how these laws show us that the universe itself supports conditionality. Let's begin with the Kamma Niyāma, the law of moral causation. This is the principle that intentional actions bring results. When we act with greed, hatred, or delusion, those actions condition suffering. When we act with generosity, kindness, and wisdom, those actions condition happiness. Karma is not fate, but cause and effect. It shows us that our choices matter. Every thought, word, and deed plants a seed that will ripen. This law reminds us to take responsibility for our lives because what we do now shapes what we will experience later. Next is the Utu Niyāma, the law of seasons and physical phenomena. This is the natural order of the physical world. The rising and setting of the sun, the change of seasons, the laws of physics, all of these are part of Utu Niyāma. Just as fire burns and water flows, physical phenomena follow their own order. This law reminds us that the world is not chaotic. It is patterned, lawful, and dependable. Then we have the bīja Niyāma, the law of seeds or biology. A mango seed produces a mango tree, not a banana tree. Life reproduces according to its kind. This law governs heredity, genetics, and biological processes. It shows us that living beings arise according to causes, not randomly. The bīja Niyāma is the natural order of growth and reproduction. Fourth is the citta Niyāma, the law of mind. This is the order of mental phenomena. Thoughts arise according to conditions. One moment of consciousness conditions the next. Habits form through repetition. The mind follows patterns just as the body does. This law explains why mindfulness matters. If we condition the mind with wholesome states, those states grow stronger. If we condition it with unwholesome states, those grow instead. Finally, there is the Dhamma Niyāma, the law of truth or nature. This is the deepest order. It includes the principles of dependent origination, the arising of Buddhas, and the unfolding of the path. It is the law that governs the ultimate truths of the universe. The Dhamma Niyāma shows us that awakening itself is lawful. When the right conditions are present, wisdom arises. When wisdom arises, liberation follows. Together, these 5 laws form the cosmic order. They show us that everything, moral actions, physical phenomena, biological processes, mental states, and ultimate truths, all arise according to conditions. Nothing is random. Nothing is independent. Everything is lawful, patterned, and conditional. Think of it like a great symphony. Each instrument plays its part according to rhythm and harmony. The music is not chaotic, it follows order. In the same way, the universe plays according to these 5 laws. And this is why the Niyāma Dīpani is so important. It shows us that conditionality is not just a philosophical idea. It is the very structure of reality. When we understand this, we gain confidence in the path. We see that suffering arises because of causes, and if we change the causes, suffering can end. We see that liberation is possible because it too arises according to conditions. So today we've explored the Niyāma Dīpani. We've seen the 5 natural laws, Kamma, Utu, bīja, citta, and Dhamma, and we've understood how universal order supports conditionality. Carry this awareness into daily life. Notice how your actions condition your future. Notice how the seasons and the body follow their own order. Notice how the mind follows patterns. And notice how truth itself unfolds according to law. This is the wisdom of cosmic order. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring clarity, peace, and freedom.